What's up, snipers? Stock Sniper Nick here, and tonight we're gonna go over the watch list for tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. Let's go! Wow, I just noticed that as we're making the video. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Taco Tuesday today, but back-to-back tacos. Can't see why that could hurt anybody. Anyway, guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Nick with the Stock Snipers. Every single Tuesday night, we go over 3 to 5 hot OTC stocks to watch for a follow-up the next morning. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit subscribe. Anyway, for tonight, we are all cash, but we have 3 stocks that we're going to talk about. Before I dive in, I do want to give a quick shout-out to our guy, Sniper Justin. He was able to bag a little bit over $500 today on the stock that we actually swung overnight, the one that we sold in the morning as well. He went ahead and bought it with us overnight and sold in the morning, and he was actually able to take the meat of the move and take a little bit more than 500 bucks. Congratulations, Sniper Justin. He actually has a baby coming in this month. So that is big, man. Keep grinding with us, and let's get a little gift ready for our girl at the end of this month. So that was awesome, Justin, man, and it's great to see you in the chat, man. Keep popping in with us, and I'm excited to just continue grinding with everyone. All right, let's dive into the watch list for tomorrow morning. All right, so for tonight, we only have 3 stocks on the list, but then coming into Power Hour, we really zoned in on these 3, so let's talk about it. The first stock that we're going to talk about is the one on the right side. So on the left side is our watch list, on the right side is TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim. And this stock that we're going to talk about is WKSP. And the reason we're bringing it up is because this is coming up to a multi-month breakout of 36 cents. And they also came out with news this morning. So we'll see if they can get some momentum going to pass that breakout spot of 36 tomorrow. For my snipers that are in, let's talk about this trade and how we're looking to sell it tomorrow. So this is the day they're playing the first green day. And this first green day could be a continuation to a multi-month breakout. Now, if you are in, what's nice about on the day is you see that the stock has spikeability. It spiked over 30% in the morning. After it topped out, it did create a pretty tight trading range. If you did get in Power Hour, you got your support down here at 31.5. And then at the end, you know, you got a little bit of a jump. So again, you do have a little bit of a cushion. Ideally, what you want to see is a gap up over this 34.5 spot that it couldn't pass today. Because again, that next resistance is 36, and then you got some room there. So that would be nice to be able to sell into the gap up and push tomorrow. But if it does start to struggle, for all the snipers that are in, you want to use this 31.5 or this 30-cent support spot as your risk spot. And that way, you're not risking much. When you sign up for us, one of our biggest goals is to teach you guys how to make your own plan so that way you minimize the risk in penny stocks. So if you're in it, again, snipers, make sure you have your plan set up, and let's do it. Alright guys, the next 2 stocks, they're grouped together because they're very similar. We're looking for similar setup on both of them tomorrow. These are 2 OTC plays that were recently sub-pennies, and both of them actually spiked 40% on Tuesday. And since they spiked so much, so quickly, as you can see here in RETC, and both the spikes happened midday, just like this one in RETC. Since the spikes were so big, so quick, we're actually now looking for a dip buy in both of these. These ones are both up a lot, you know, over 45% each. So if these do panic tomorrow, if they get the sellers in the morning, ideally the sellers step in the morning. That's when you usually see the panic start, because then you got a lot of people that are in from up here, a lot of people that are in from here. And, you know, if it starts to crack under VWAP, everybody who got in pretty much yesterday is down. So that could create that panic. So that's what we look for. And if it does panic, we look for it to go to near supports. So for RETC, we actually like the support down at 0.06 area, and the 0.06 is down here. And then for the other one, DSCR, let me pull it up just so you can see how similar it is. Look on the 1 day, 1 minute. Another one that just spiked towards the end of the day. So if this one sees sellers in the morning and starts to panic, we actually like the support in this one down here in the 0.016 area down around here. All right, and that'll be a pretty big panic for both of these if they do take those dips. You know, it's over 30%. We want to see it in consecutive minutes. That way they do give the bounce. That's what makes that panic dip buy pattern work so good, is that you get the quick dip, so that way you can play that bounce so quickly. It's definitely the pattern that gets you the quickest profits. It's not one that we recommend for everybody who's just starting to trade with us. We recommend you start off with the first green days and breakouts. but they are great to watch, and we usually have 1 or 2 on every watch list in the morning. So these are the 2 for tonight. 2 big runners. That's what's awesome about the OTC market. There's always stocks that, are pushing and are just too overextended or ran up 100% in a day, or in this case, ran up 50% with no news or anything in like 10 minutes. So when that happens, it creates a lot of opportunity. Even if you miss the upside, you can also catch the panic because the volatility's there. So that's what's great about these plays. That's why we love watching these plays, and that's why we think, a lot more people should be into these plays, because there's opportunity like this every day, which is cool. So let's watch these ones tomorrow, and let's see if we can get a morning bag tomorrow morning. All right, my snipers, that is it for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys picked up some new good tickers. If you guys really like what we got going on and you want to start trading alongside with us, check out our website at www.thestocksnipers.com. For the Sniper team, we got webinar Wednesday tomorrow. We'll be talking about our full week of trading with you guys tomorrow night. For everybody else, see you guys next Tuesday. Much love, Snipers.